Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you have heard about Gemini Pro offers, free trials, promotional bundles or even student discounts. But when you look for them, they are nowhere to be found. The offer page says not available, or the sign up button is totally missing. This is almost always a region or account eligibility issue. So Google restricts these offers based on your location and account type. Let me show you how to find them. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, you want to understand the regional restrictions. Google's AI services are not available in all countries. If you are in a region where Gemini Pro isn't fully launched, promotional offers might not appear at all. So you have to check the official Gemini availability page for your region. Then you have to check your account type. Gemini Pro offers are typically available to personal Google accounts. If you are using a Google Workspace, business, or school account, the offers may not be visible at all. Try logging in with a personal Gmail account to see if the offer appears. Then, use a VPN for testing. If you are in a restricted region, you might be able to access the offer by using a VPN and setting your location to a supported region like the US, for example. Note that you will need a VAT payment budget for that region if you subscribe, and that's the point. Then ensure your account meets eligibility, check your Google account information, ensure you meet any age requirements, and verify that your account is in a good standing. If you are a student, check the official Google Students Discount page, then check the official Gemini page also. Okay, for this one, we're gonna go and ask Gemini directly, student discount page, then we hit enter. Then Gemini will basically give you all of the information needed. It's that easy. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.